Zane's diary from the Fomalhaut system, Sol 8832. Entries from 134 to 138. This morning started with a bang. A large meteorite fell from above, so suddenly that even my sensors momentarily shut down. Before I could even figure out what had happened, the intercom sprang to life with an emotionless robotic voice announcing, "Please accept your mail delivery." Mail? Here? That's an unexpected twist. I reached the meteorite impact site. It turned out to be a capsule containing some kind of mail container. The package had an indecipherable address somewhere on the frontier. I tried to read the sender's name, but the friction and heat from the atmosphere had worn it away. Inside was a do-it-yourself kit, 2 combat robodogs. An incredibly strange delivery, but I'm not complaining. I've been craving some company for a long time. I assembled the robots according to the instructions. At first, they just looked like 2 piles of metal and wires, but as soon as I connected the final plug, their eyes flashed blue, then red, and they came to life. I named them Daedalus and Icarus, after the ancient myth about the inventor and the dreamer. The robodogs sniffed the air cautiously, examined me, and seemingly accepted me as their owner. They clearly enjoyed the moment, jumping cheerfully and barking loudly, their voices echoing pleasantly through the valley. The 3 of us headed to launchpad number 2. Upon seeing the cleaners, the robodogs growled menacingly and barked so thunderously that even I was slightly impressed. Afterward, as if understanding that this was now their territory, Daedalus and Icarus spontaneously took up positions to guard the perimeter. It's comforting to realize that I'm no longer completely alone here. At sunset, I sat on the doorstep of my shelter, watching the Attractor changing colors. It had grown quiet, the illusions ceased, and its color inexplicably shifted from crimson to deep purple. Could my new acquisitions have intimidated even it? I reread some poetry, reflecting on how best to put the robodogs to good use. Everything seems to be changing. Perhaps this is how hope arrives. Yet all's not dead. The friendly light returns across the eastern sky. Though dark the moment, brief the night, hope wakens as the dawn draws nigh.